Welcome viewers. Here's a short video on a Volkswagen Beetle that came into the shop a couple days ago. It actually drove in, had a really loud, nasty noise. The reason it came in is due to poor quality workmanship. You see the engine mount bracket down there's pulled completely away. I don't really know what's still holding this thing up. Looks like both bolts are sheared off. It's making a god-awful noise. See if I can looks like it's been wearing through right there. Something's been tearing into that. I can see the water pump sprocket right there. This thing's had a catastrophic failure. I can show you underneath the vehicle here how low the engine's oil pan's sitting. And it's real close to the ground. Looks like someone's probably already worked on this and didn't tighten the bolts all the way up or over tighten them or now that sounds and looks a lot better. Okay, here's the cause. Someone has already done the timing belt and didn't tighten up the engine mount bolts. This one here is bent. That was the only thing keeping it from hitting the ground, and that probably didn't have much longer either before it broke off. And the mount here completely, this is supposed to be pressed in and it was hanging out here, and I had to extract this bolt and then put the third one in. So I put 3 new bolts in it, new brackets, and it's good to go. I hope you subscribe so you don't miss out. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to click the bell. Feel free to make comments below. I'd love to hear them. Happy motoring, and see you in the next one.